Vitamin C skincare, the challenge. Vitamin C is often regarded as a wrinkle fighter or an anti-aging agent. The main objective of vitamin C skincare, in scientific terms, is to increase the synthesis of collagen, a structural protein that is found in skin. The additional benefit of vitamin C skincare is related to its capability of countering free radicals which cause damage to the skin. Vitamin C skincare, however, faces a major challenge today. This is related to the oxidation tendency of vitamin C skincare products. On coming in contact with any oxidizing agent, e.g. air, the vitamin C in the vitamin C skincare products gets oxidized, thus making the vitamin C skincare product useless, in fact counter-effective. The oxidized vitamin C imparts a yellowish-brown color to the vitamin C skincare product. This is something that you need to check before buying a vitamin C skincare product. Even after you buy a vitamin C skincare product, you need to store it properly and keep checking that it's still good to use, i.e. it hasn't attained a yellowish-brown texture. The manufacturers of vitamin C skincare products have tried to deal with this oxidation problem in multiple ways, and research on vitamin C skincare products is on the top of their list. One such method of retaining effectiveness of vitamin C skincare products for a long term is to keep a high concentration, say 10%, of vitamin C. However, this makes the vitamin C skincare products even more expensive. The vitamin C skincare products are already pretty inexpensive, and making them even more expensive will throw the product manufacturers out of business. The other way is to use vitamin C derivatives, like ascorbyl palmitate and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These are not only more stable but also inexpensive. Even though the derivatives-based products are not as effective as the vitamin C skincare products, their stability against oxidation is a very desirable feature that makes them very attractive. Moreover, these are known to be less irritating too. Talking of effectiveness of vitamin C skincare products, it's important to mention that not everyone responds to vitamin C treatments. So it's not a magic potion in any way. If you don't see a noticeable difference in your skin, it might be because of your skin not responding to vitamin C treatment, and the vitamin C skincare products might not be at fault at all. As more research goes on, one can only keep our fingers crossed and wait for a complete solution to the challenges faced by vitamin C skincare today.